Dear students, today I am going to teach you another topic of Commercial Studies class 10 and the topic is advertising agencies. See, we have already discussed about advertisement, meaning of advertisement, benefits and demerits, how it is beneficial to consumer, manufacturer, producer, wholesaler, retailer, salesman, society and everyone. And we have already discussed about the demerits also. Now I am going to tell you what the meaning of advertising agencies. See, first of all, what is advertising agencies? When we see the ads on the TV, it is created by them. Advertising agency are those agency which work for making of this advertisements. See what is written here. An advertising agency is an independent organization set up to render specialized professional service in advertising. What they do? They provide specialized service in making the ads which we saw on TVs. See how interesting are they? Because behind that ads, these agencies are there. Our hard work is there, our teamwork is there. So it is a time consuming process and also very delicate process in which they work together and set up the idea how to do that particular ad, how to frame that product in a particular ad that the consumers are willing to purchase, or the consumers will see the ad and like it, then they will go and purchase, and how they introduce the product to the consumer. For example, like when we see the ads of gems, have you seen? I hope you all have seen the ads of gems. See the colors, the content which they show us, it is very interesting and it's very eye-catching to the children. So they are very familiar about that product. So this all types of work is done by these advertising agencies. Many are there in India, in abroad, everywhere. Many advertising agencies are there which are set up to make ads of products. And see two examples written: Hindustan Thompson Associates and Mudra Communication Limited. Many are there. So advertising agencies are the main hand behind the ads which we see on our TV. Moving to the next topic, as we have already discussed about advertising agencies. Now we will discuss about the functions. Functions of advertising agencies. What functions they perform? The main function they perform is planning. They have to plan all the activities how they have to perform. See, first, service to advertiser. Service to advertiser means the person, the manufacturer, the producer who will come with his product. They provide them service. How they will provide them service? They will make an advertisement for that product for that manufacturer. Next, service to media owners. They provide service to media owners. How? They make the ads which we saw on TV, internet, mobile, newspapers. So they provide service to media owners as well as the advertisers. Next, expert and specialized service. See, as we already discussed that advertising agencies, they have a specialized and expert team sitting behind. Those who are making the ads, in that they have to plan, they have to coordinate, they have to organize, they have to mix all the things. They have to mix all the things. They have to see how they can make that product more useful to the viewers, that how they can directly connect to that product. Because see, with the help of advertising, the main objective of the producer is that their volume of sale will increase. Their volume of sale will increase. So the media houses provide, the advertising agencies provide expert and specialized services. Moving to the next, selecting appropriate medium. See, when they prepare the ads, they have to see where to telecast that ads. For examples, we have seen when we watch the cartoon networks, when the children's watching that Cartoon Networks, what type of ads are coming on that? The eatable items like jams are there, Horlicks is there, chocolates are there, chips are there, or all those things are there which that kids are directly connected with. They are not showing there any that any type of ad which is not related to the kids. See, they have to see the appropriate media, because there only their consumers will connect with that product. And see that other things like the household things where they will telecast that household things, they will telecast in that channel which the ladies are watching more, like that serials are there, in them between they will show the ads of household things. We have seen in news channels the ads are very less, and only the ads are there related to industry and all the things. Why? Because news channels are mostly watched by the business houses. So they depend how to connect the consumer to that particular product. Now moving to the next, rendering other services. Other services, see, advertising agencies, they while making that ads, it is not easy to make the ads. Why? Because they have to do market research. How? They have to see where to launch that particular ad so that the consumers can directly connect to that ad. Then they have to do planning. They have to coordinate all the things. Planning means they have to see how to showcase the product in such a way that it is easily connect to the consumer. Otherwise, it will be a flop show. Moving to the next topic, before we have discussed about advertising agencies and their functions. Now we are going to discuss about meaning of social media advertising. First of all, what is social media? Social media means the things which we use like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, they all are social media in which we are connected with a number of peoples, and where we can share our views or we can see the views of others. See, social media advertising is one of the effective measure through which the advertisers can promote their products. Social media is an effective place for advertisers to search their target customer. Means social media is a very effective place for whom? For the advertiser, for the manufacturer to search their target customers. Because see, nowadays a number of people are there, those who are using social medias. No one is there, those who are not, they have not visited YouTube, Facebook or anything. See, social media advertising is a form of online advertising that focus on a social networking services to promote products and services. Social media is a form of online advertising which focused on promoting the products and services online. For example, you have seen when you open a YouTube video, a pop-up comes, ads starts moving. Why? There are huge number of consumers are there whom the advertisers can directly target. Like in TV and when we watch a movie, in TV that ads come. What we used to do? We used to just change the channel. But when you see the YouTube videos, the ads keep on going. After 2, 3, 5 seconds, the skip option is there. But in some ads, the skip option is also not there. So, you are bound to see that ads. You are bound to see that ads. So, in this way, the social media advertising works. Examples are given: Twitter, Facebook, pop-up in YouTube. When we open Chrome or we open any site, when you open Snapchat is there, Instagram is there. When you open any site, there will be a pop-up video. A pop-up logo will be there of any ad. So, directly or indirectly, we have to connect with that ads. In this way, social media advertising is becoming more effective to promote their products. Moving to the next topic, as we have already discussed many things about advertising and advertising agency, now we are going to discuss about the difference between advertising and publicity. What we will discuss? We will discuss the difference between the advertising and publicity. See, points of distinction, advertising, publicity. First, objective. To create demand for the product and service. The main objective of advertising is to create demand for what? For the product or the service which they are showing in the ads. Means they have to create a demand for the product. In publicity, to create a favorable public opinion about the organization. Means organization or any person. In publicity, they simply create that the public opinion should be in the favor of that organization or the thing about which they are doing the publicity, about that particular person or the organization or the activities of that organization. In this, public opinion is more important. In this, demand, create the demand of that particular product is more important. Next, commercial value. Advertising have a commercial value because it creates the demand for the product. And publicity, it may or may not have commercial value. It's depend that sometimes it may have a commercial value and sometimes it does not have any commercial value. Next, nature. It is always impersonal. Impersonal means the products which are showing on the ads, it is not meant that you have to purchase them or they are not personal. Many ads are there which are not in use but we used to see. So the nature of advertising is impersonal. Means you are not able to take them personally. But publicity, it may be both impersonal or personal. It may be both. It may be personal or impersonal. Means the publicity may be personal about a person, about a particular organization, or sometimes it is not personal also. But the advertising is always impersonal. And always remember, the advertising have a commercial value. Without commercial value, ads are not gonna work. Moving to the next, already we have discussed three difference between advertising and publicity. Now we are going to discuss about the fourth one, control. The sponsor has direct control over the size and frequency of the message. Means the sponsor can directly control that how much long the message will be, what will be the size, what will be the content. In publicity, the sponsor does not control the size and frequency of message. In this, the sponsor does not control that what is the size or what will be the frequency of the message. Next, payment. It is paid for by the sponsor. It is paid for by the sponsor. Means in this, the sponsor has to pay. And in this, directly, it is not directly paid for by the sponsor. In this, the sponsor does not pay anything. Not directly they pay. Next is term. It is long term in nature and this is short term in nature. Why advertising is long term in nature? Because see, when we are small, we used to see some ads. But those ads are now also, we used to see them again. And that is why it is long term in nature. And publicity, it's depend. Sometimes it is in continuous process, but when it will not in continuous, so it will be finished. So that is why it is short term in nature. Thank you. I hope you have understood.